Friends, come let us start with grammar. Today we will do chapter number 5 articles. Chapter number 5 articles. Do you know what is articles? Do you know what are vowels? Yes. Do you remember the vowels and consonants? A, E, I, O, U. These 5 alphabets, can you see over here? A, E, I, O, U. These 5 alphabets are known as the vowels. Rest of the alphabets B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These alphabets are known as the consonants. Always remember the 5 vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U. This 5 alphabets is known as the vowels and rest of the alphabets is known as the consonants. Question number A. Color the pictures that begin with vowel sound. What is this? Orange. Orange begins with which letter? O. And O is an vowel. So you have to color orange. Inkpot. It begins with I. So I is a vowel. So you have to color an inkpot. Apple. What is this? Apple. A. Apple spelling begins with A. A is an vowel. So you have to color an apple. Egg. Egg begins with E. And E is an vowel. So you have to color E. Boat. What is this? Boat begins with B. B is a vowel? No, that is consonant. So you don't have to color boat. Umbrella. Umbrella begins with, spelling begins with U. So U is a vowel. So you have to color umbrella. This is your homework. HW. Read this sentence. Give me a pen. I eat an apple every day. Can you see? Give me a pen. A pen. Why do we use a? Because can you see over here? Pen, first letter is P and P is an consonant. Any word that begins with consonants, you have to put a. I ate an apple every day. Apple. Can you see apple spelling begins with A and A is a vowel. Any word that starts with vowel, that is A, E, I, O, U. Any words that starts with A, E, I, O, U, before that word we have to put an. An. The words A and an are articles. A and an are known as the articles. They are used with singular nouns. Singular means one, that is used as the singular nouns. We use a before consonant sounds and before vowel sound. Before any words that begins with consonants, before that we have to put a. And any that words begins with vowel sound, before that we have to put an. Question number B. Circle the pictures that begin with vowel sound. Fill in the blanks with A or and. First one. Can you see which picture is this? Aeroplane. And you have to circle. Aeroplane begins with A. And A is vowel. Which are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. This five alphabets is known as the vowels and A is a vowel. So you have to circle an aeroplane and before A what you will put? A and why A and? Because A is a vowel. So before any vowel we have to put A and. Second one, parrot. What is this? Parrot. P is a consonant. So before that consonants we have to put a parrot. We have to put a. Jug. What is this? J is a consonant. So jug. Apple spelling begins with A and A is a vowel. So you have to put and. Fan spelling begins with F and F is a consonant. So a fan. can you see nest? Nest begins with N. So that is a consonant. So you will have to write nest. What is this? Orange. Orange word begins with O. What is O? O is an vowel. So we have to put before that A and. Eighth one. Ice cream. Can you see first alphabet? First word, that is I. And I is an vowel. So what you will put? A and. And whichever picture that begins with vowel, you have to circle it. Listen to this conversation. Conversation means talking to each other. You talk with your parents, you talk with your neighbor, you talk with your friends. That is known as the conversation. Over here there are some students, some girls. Okay, two girls talking with each other. I want a book. This girl is telling, I want a book. She is asking, which book? The green book. Sure. The green book? Sure, I want the green book. Then she is telling, okay, I'll give you. The word the, the, the is also known as article. It is used to talk about a particular thing. When you talk about a particular thing, we use the, and the is also an article. So question number C. Complete the story using a, and, or, the. First one. I found dash puppy in the playground. Now puppy begins with P and P is an consonant. So I found a puppy in the playground. Dash was lost. Dash puppy was lost. So what you will write here? The puppy was lost. The puppy was lost. Third one. I brought it home. I gave it dash bath. Over here B is an consonant. So a bath. My mother gave it some milk and dash bone to chew. B is an consonant and only one bone. Okay. So we will have to write a bone. She gave me dash apple. Apple, can you see over here? A. Apple spelling begins with A and A is an vowel. So before any vowel, we have to put A and dash egg to eat. Egg. E is an vowel. So A and. Sixth one. We then went to dash park. It is dash park where I play with my friends. We went to the park. It is a park where I play with my friends. Okay. Now, over here, there are in group, you have to work in groups. Okay, this girl, can you name 5 animals? Let me try. An elephant, a tiger, an eagle, a monkey, and a zebra. Can you see there? She has put an elephant. Why an elephant? Because E is a vowel. So an. Tiger. T is an consonant. So a tiger. Eagle. E is an vowel. So an eagle. Monkey. M is an consonant. So a monkey. Zebra. Z is an consonant. So a zebra. Learn with Ladybird. When we talk about something new, we use a or and. We use and when the word starts with A, E, I, O or U. Any word that starts with vowel, that is A, E, I, O, U, before that vowel word we have to put A and. This is a picture of elephant. An elephant starts with E vowel. So and elephant. Apple. Apple starts with A. So an apple. We use a for all other words. Ship. S is a consonant. So a ship. Potato. P is a consonant. So a potato. First we use a or an. After we use the. There is a girl. The girl is happy. Can you see first we have used a? Okay, can you see first we have used a. Then sentence begins with the girl is happy. It is an egg. The egg is white. A and the are articles. We use articles with nouns. Vowels are the letters A, E, I, O, U. All the letters that are not vowels are called consonants. Only A, E, I, O, U are known as the vowels. Rest all the letters are known as the consonants. Question number 1, that is circle A or and. And first one is orange. So O is an vowel. So an orange. Second one, arm. Can you see this is known as the arm? So A is a vowel. So you will circle A or and arm. Third one, dash dash watch. Watch, W is a consonant. So we will circle A. Fourth one, dash guitar. G is a consonant. So a guitar. Fifth one, a or an horse. Horse, H is a consonant. So a horse. Sixth one, a and ice cream. Ice cream, I is a vowel. So and ice cream. Question number 2. Write a or an or the. It is a dog. It is a dog. The dog is white. There is dash apple. Apple spelling begins with A. So an apple. Dash apple is green. So we will write the apple is green. An apple is green. You can write the apple is green. It is a cat. The cat is brown. Fourth one, there is a boy. The boy has a ball. Thank you. Have a nice day.